Hello, hello. This is Georgia Coatings by the Bay, your local new car paint protection expert. We exclusively install and maintain professional grade ceramic coatings. This brand new 25 Lyriq Cadillac Black. So as you expect, single step of paint correction done prior to installation just to get those dealership level swirl marks out. And then it was a 5-year coating on the full exterior. So rims are coated, all the plastics like the headlights, taillights, the plastics here. Not too much plastic trim on a Cadillac, but plastics are done, glass is done, rims are done. So you get the water flying off during rainstorms from the glass. With these rims, what you'll get is brake dust removal is much easier. It doesn't embed. It just kind of sits on top. You can wipe it off with a finger. So yeah, about 90% of clients book a full exterior just because they like all the added benefits and the relative cost is very low to upgrade to the full exterior. So if you recently bought a new Cadillac or any new car in general, I'd love to talk. Best way to get a hold of me is text. Send a text over to 920-659-0023 with your make, model, and year. I can get you a quote. You can also go directly to the website. I don't hide my prices. They're transparently posted all over the place. I have a ceramic coating calculator on there. No personal information required. Find out the price for your vehicle for exactly what you're looking for. Talking price does not scare me. It's something that should be posted up front. People still hiding behind get a quote forms. It's funny to me. It just means your process isn't refined enough to be able to give exact numbers about seeing the car. I haven't had to look at a vehicle first in 6 years, just because the system I run tells you exactly what you need based on what you're looking for. So if you want to book with the highest rated shop over 500 square miles in Northeast Wisconsin, that includes Oshkosh, Swamico, Green Bay, De Pere, Neenah, Appleton. We're ranked 1.06 over 500 square miles in Northeast Wisconsin for ceramic coating. I want to book with the best. Like I said, give me a shout. Send a text anytime, 920-659-0023. Send your make, model, and year. I'll get you a quote. If you got a question, I'll answer it. The website's answered over 400 FAQs. But I understand sometimes you don't want to dig through all that stuff. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. But again, if you bought a new Cadillac or any new car recently, I'd love to talk. Text at 920-659-0023. I'll get you a quote usually within an hour. Have a good one.